Yeah, Nichia is a pioneer in LED industry. Nichia is known for its invention in blue LED, invention of white LED, bluish green. And this time, as per the efficiencies are concerned, we have reached a level of 186 lumens per watt. So that is what is soft launched yesterday rather, in your show. Yeah. So apart from that, in power LEDs also, we have introduced a couple of new products this time, and that would especially address the street light market. Yeah, what else you want to know?
So what kind of applications can we see in the future for LED market?
Applications almost like anything which is concerned with the lighting is already addressed with the LEDs, but only thing is how to improve the efficiency of the system is the game now. So not only LED, of course LED being LED chip manufacturer, we are trying to improve the efficacies day by day. At the same time, power electronics also is trying to improve the IC drivers, etc. So overall system efficiency, every application we want it to be almost like close to 100 lumens per watt or above. Yeah, right now we are around 60 to 70 lumens per watt range at the system level. Yeah, so with these advancements, I believe it will be reached soon.
So what according to will be the major players in the future in the LED industry? Your competitors, I would say.
Frankly, Nichia, actually we don't compete directly with every manufacturer what you see in the market, including the people who participate here. So it is not a direct competition as such, because Nichia doesn't work through any dealer distributor. We directly work with the manufacturer. The reason being, we don't want to keep any gap between the manufacturer right from the design stage till getting its mass produced. If there is any third party dealer distributor, they will miss out some information. Based on that, we will manufacture some item which will not be able to address the actual end needed product. So that is why we are taking care of to bridge the gap. Yeah. So I don't frankly see that competition is always stiff. Like whether it could be top 5 or China, but still we are okay. Yeah.
And so what about China and India LED market? Is that competition getting bigger, or is it fine?
It is getting bigger. At the same time, awareness in the LED industry also is equally growing up. So not everybody is really going to Chinese product as of now. Yeah, there are certain applications like the Christmas lighting, and then there are certain applications like ropeway lighting, Deepavali lighting. Those kind of applications are okay, I mean, for a Chinese application, but not really to have a direct comparison or competition with a company like Nichia. We never consider them as a competition at all. Yeah.
And sir, you've been participating in the event from so many years.
Yeah.
How's your association with MEX?
Yeah, again, another reason of Nichia to directly work with anybody is to have a good relationship. That kind of a very good relationship, warmness, and then the warmth and then friendship with the organizers of the event is much more bigger than what I expect from this show commercially. Yeah.
Any particular kind of segment that you would suggest should come in the expo?
Yeah, I would expect certain automotive people to be in this line too. Yeah, because right now almost 95% is lighting, right? So automotive is another segment which is actually seen the practical growth in Indian electronics industry. So that is missing here. That should come.
So you'll be there next year also, I hope.
Yeah, I believe so. Yeah. Because only one show we participate is that LED Expo.
Thank you, sir.